Hey there, today we're gonna fix this loose toilet seat. This is a very common problem on many houses and it's pretty frustrating to a point where you just think about adding Gorilla Glue or even super glue to the toilet seat so it never comes off. That's a good idea first, but later, if you do need to replace your toilet seat, you're in trouble. So I'm gonna show you a trick on how I secure the toilet seats once and for all. Towards the back of the seat, there are these caps hiding the bolt that should hold the seat down. You need to prop these caps open to access the bolt, and from underneath, you need to hold the nut in place so you can tighten down the bolt, securing the seat in place. And right here is where the problem is. These bolts and nuts are plastic. And then after sitting 100 times on the toilet seat, you're putting enough pressure on the nuts and bolts to loosen it up little by little, causing the toilet seat to come loose. And the solution I have is pretty simple. We're going to be using threaded tape on the bolts. This tape would act as thread locker, making the nuts less prone to come loose. This is the same principle that the automotive industry uses. They apply thread lock to bolts so they don't come off as easy. And applying threaded tape on the bolt, you're doing the same thing here. Now your toilet seat won't come off so easy. And this is a very cheap fix that one roll of tape can fix all the toilets in your house. Now, if you want a more robust solution, there are these rubber washers with bolts that are specifically designed for this problem. If you need help finding them, check the description below. To install them, you need to insert the rubber washer into the bolt hole. They have a pretty thick middle, so I prefer to insert them from the bottom up. Then, you just tighten them down with the bolts provided. And the idea is that these rubber washers act as a lock nut, preventing the bolt to come off as easy. And now you found multiple options to fix your loose toilet seat so it never comes loose again. But you still need to remember to put down the toilet seat unless you have a smart toilet. And if you're curious how a smart toilet can close on its own after drying you off, check out this next video. I hope this was entertaining and informative to you and you learned a little something. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.